Hook 'em in the mouth kayak fishing. I'm your hook master, Charles Kramer, and we got a lot of hookups for you today. So let me go ahead and get into it. No longer talking, just straight hookups. Remember, when you're out there, don't snag 'em, hook 'em in the mouth. So let's go, let's get it, and let's make it happen. Hook 'em in the mouth, what's going on? All kind of boats in the background, and I'm back at the Lighthouse. You know how it goes when we get out of chair. We hook 'em in the mouth, even if I got a sweaty beard. But like I said, I'm out here at the Lighthouse. I'm kicking it with my partner, Carlos, his low ass back there, so he'll be coming soon. But we're gonna go ahead and target a little bit of flounder. I wanna try to get a trout or maybe a bluefish. And if that ain't happening, then you know what I'm gonna do. You know what's gonna happen, right? The rock star's gonna show up, or maybe a shot. But it is what it is, we out here to have fun. So until I get a hookup, let's go, let's get it, let's make it happen. You know what I do when I get out here? I hook 'em in the mouth. Till I get a hookup, holla at your boy. Hook 'em in the mouth, we got a hookup out this month. On the artificial. If I know my fish, I think it's a bluefish. Bluefish. Oh, a nice one too. Hook 'em in the mouth. Oh shit, get your ass up here. Calm your ass down. We hooked this bluefish ass in the mouth with my partner Carlos back there, and we hook him in the mouth. Now, his ass gotta calm the hell down. He's done beating himself up. Huh? Do what?
You didn't bring a cooler.
I know, I could just... Yeah, I didn't. You want him? Yeah, we'll just let him go then. Yep, that's what I've been using all week. It's been working for me too. We got the bluefish in the house, and I hooked him in the mouth. About to let him go. Oh shit. We got a malfunction in the junction. We all over the place. Bluefish fucking shit up now.
Wait. Alright, go.
We good? To the next hookup. We got a hookup. Trout. Yeah, he's a little guy. He's drumming too. Hook him in the mouth. I'm out here artificialing, out at the Lighthouse, and I'm making it happen. Little sea trout, and I hooked him in the mouth. Let me go ahead and let him go. He's drumming. I don't know if y'all can hear that. They call him a trout, but they're really a drum. Look that up if you don't believe me. And hook him in the mouth. Holla at your boy. Let me let you go. Watch it. Swim away. They said your boy couldn't do it. But guess what? I'm out to prove it. I can artificial, and I can hook him in the mouth when I do it. To the next hookup. Gee! Hook him in the mouth. We got a hookup out this month. On the PISCIFUN. Oh, get away from that buoy. Oh, y'all see him running. Come on over here. That PISCIFUN. Oh, he got off. Oh, you motherfucker. That motherfucker got off. Hook him in the mouth. And don't bullshit like I did. Damn! Get your ass back out there. Hey, they ready? What? Motherfucker was there. Hook him in the mouth. We gotta hook up. We gotta hook up out here. I do believe it's Mr. Shock. He done came up top on me. Hook him in the mouth. Get your ass up here. Yeah, he's running right towards me, guys. That's what it is, a little sharp nose. And we hooked your ass in the mouth. Yup. Yup. Oh shit, I better put my pole up on the thing or it'll be gone. See, that's his stomach he's chewing on. Got too much shit going on right now. Alright, he swallowed his stomach. Alright, that's good. That's good to know. Give me that mouth. Give me that mouth. Sorry, buddy, I had to hook you in the mouth, though. When you get all aggressive like that on my pole, I have to hook you in the mouth. The eagle claw circle hook working real good. Making sure that after I hook him in the mouth, he comes to the boat. There we go, got him on loose. My man over there swimming in the sharks. We got him right here. His skin is sandy. And we hooked him in the mouth. And I'm gonna go ahead and let him go. You know what your boy does when he get out here? I hook him in the mouth in front of everybody. Nice little sharp nose. Say what up to Carlos. And watch him swim away. He was a little sharp nose, but we hooked him in the mouth. To the next hookup. Hook him in the mouth. We got somebody playing around with me. We about to hook his ass in the mouth. Oh, hook him in the mouth. We got that ass. Whatever it is. Oh, you bulldogging, you bulldogging, you bulldogging. Where you going? Rockstar! Boy, parasite ass rockstar too. Slimy, he got some parasites all over his ghost smelling ass. I seen you, and I hooked you in the mouth, buddy. Shit. I ain't even trying to touch him to show y'all. Y'all know what this mug look like. Hook him in the mouth. We got this rock star. Ow, 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 some of my bitch. Ow, stop. We got his slimy ass. He got sea fleas all over him. I don't know if you can see that. You see it on his belly. He's infested with sea fleas, and I hooked his ass in the mouth. To the next hookup. Now get your sea flea ass up on out of here. Get your sea flea ass, goat smelling ass out of here. Hook 'em in the mouth. What's going on? All right, we're gonna go ahead and conclude out. We had a real good day. Not like super duper, like oh yeah, I caught the big in my PB. No shit like that. All right, I just had a great day, and I caught bluefish, trout. I think I caught 2 bluefish. I'm not for sure. A rock star, and you know Jaws' baby showed up, so I had to hook that ass in the mouth. So this is gonna be it for this video. Remember to subscribe to the channel and don't snag them. Hook them in the mouth. Holla at your boy. Thanks for watching another episode of Hook 'em in the Mouth Kayak Fishing. I'm your hook master, Charles Kramer, and I hope you enjoyed all the hookups today. Remember, when you're out there, don't snag them, hook them in the mouth. You know what you gotta do next, right? Like, share, and subscribe. Follow me at Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And don't forget to hook them in the mouth.